Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how to perform full join. We will also study how it differs from Cartesian product. So full join differs from Cartesian product. We already saw Cartesian product, right? A row in one table will map with all the row in the joining table. Likewise, in the left side table, all row will get mapped to all the row in the right side table. That's what called Cartesian product. Unlike Cartesian product, in full join, mapping column exists between the joining table. So in Cartesian product, we will just specify the table name and we does not specify any mapping column. But here in full join, instead of inner join, we will specify the keyword full join, and we will also specify the join column candidate from both the tables. In full join, the data is combination of match from both table, then left table data plus right table data. Say for example, let's state these are all the two tables. Now when we perform a full join, so first let us state the inner join. In the previous example we talked about inner join, right? When it brings the data, we specify the mapping column. Mapping column is, say for example, this is the mapping column between the two tables. So it will bring the record by mapping it, right? So you will be seeing only one record and the data picked from both the tables, right? So that's a inner join. But when you perform full join, what happens? First it will pick from here 1. So this exists between both the table. Then 2, and there is no mapping column 2 here, so we will get null. And here record 3 will be picked null. So that's how full join works. If you see here, it's not Cartesian product, but at the same time it brings all the data. So when there is a mapping column between both the table, it will bring that, and then it will bring data for all the left table, and for right table, if there is no mapping column, it will substitute null. Similarly, it will bring all data from the right side table, and if there is no mapping column or if there is no mapped data in the left side table, it will substitute null for that. So when matching row not found, null will be substituted on other side of the table. Null will be substituted on other side means it can be left or right side table. So when we go to the demo, that time you will clearly understand it. Now let's go to the demo. Okay, we will clear this from our previous example, and we will set ctube. Here if you see, let's create the table for this example. Table C, ID C, data C. So we are getting one more table. We will insert data for this newly created table. Now let's explore data in table A as well as table C. We are going to perform full join between these two tables. So table A, if you see 1 TA, 2 TAB, 1 TCA, 4 TCD, right? ID, if you see, only this one is matching between two tables. 2 exist only on table A, 4 exist only on table C, right? So now let's perform full join. So before that, we will do inner join so that you can clearly see the difference. Look at the data. 1 common between both the table, 2 exists on left side table, 4 exists on right side table. Right, now we will execute, and if you see, in case of inner join, we are getting only one row because the mapping column is matching because values are 1. 2 is missing because that exists on only one table. 4 is missing because that also exists on other side of the table. Now if we change this as a full join, you will see null will get substituted for unmatching rows. So when I execute, you can see this was the result of our previous inner join, right? When we make it as full join, it takes data from table 2, displays that, and for the joining table C, it substitutes null. Similarly, 4 exists for table C, so it substitutes null for table A. So that's the full join, and if you make it as a Cartesian product, you will get all the rows from all the table get mapped. Say for example, we can simply make this as a Cartesian product. First remove this mapping column, remove full join, remove join at all, just put a colon, that's all. Now it's a Cartesian product, and if you see, we will get, this is from table 1 mapped with, so second table mapped with all column here in the first table, or all row in the first table. 1 TCA, 1 TCA mapped with 1 TAA, 1 TAB. Similarly, TCD, 4 TCD mapped with all the column in the first table. So that's the Cartesian product, right? That's all here. Just now we saw what's the difference between Cartesian product and full join, and how full join differs from inner join. If you see, full join substitutes null, it still respects the mapping column and brings only the relevant data, but if there is no relevancy, it substitutes null, but it doesn't perform Cartesian product. And here in our example, we have only 2 rows, but when there are many number of rows, then Cartesian product will result huge number of results set. Right? Full join will reduce a number of result. So there are outer joins also that we will see in the next coming videos. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.